ask Pacatari to send us a vehicle.
Here's your ride, compadre.
Son of a bitch!
Bowman, we're in Flor De Goro.
The trees there may be pretty, but that province is the heart of Unidad corruption. We want to break up the love affair between Unidad and the cartel. That means taking down General Barrow.
The commander of Unidad. How hard is he to get to?
We've got no leads on the general's location, but we've got word of a data center at Unidad's mob Jaguar. Our source tells us it's chock full of informed now. It may even tell tales about some of Unidad's less than savory operations.
So, hold on.
Opening fire.
Hemos perdido contacto con las tropas enemigas a la vista. Todas las unidades mantengan su formación de búsqueda.
Avisamos que los refuerzos ya vienen en camino. Únanse a ellos y destruyan a ellos.
A todas las unidades, comiencen el ataque.
Hey, it's me. Sorry about that.
About time. I was starting to get worried. I'm sending you the location of Mob Jaguar now. They've probably got the data center underground to keep it cool. And our source couldn't get us any password access, so you'll have to hack in.
Look alive. We got company.
The drone is up. I got a target carrying submachine guns. Got another tango. I got a third. I got eyes on a sniper. That makes 5.
I'm getting a position. I need to get to a better position. Shit, I gotta find a good position. I've got the target. Target acquired. Ready. Call the shot.
¿Cómo cree que vaya a acabar esta guerra?
Engaging tangos. That was fucking close. All right, breathe easy.
Hold up. There's a weapons case here.
Okay, we're cool.
Ah, I could use this.